Hello and welcome to another episode of Kuma's Kitchen. And what have I done here? I've done something to mac and cheese. Yeah, I had a bratwurst. I make a bratwurst mac and cheese. I've also used some cream cheese in there, which really just adds up to the creaminess of the whole concoction here. But all those pieces of bratwurst in there, oh, fantastic. Oh, it's still a little hot. Oh, that's good though. Yeah. Even just right here, I had a little bit without a piece of bratwurst in it. You can taste the little flavor the bratwurst has gotten throughout. It's great. Oh yeah. So, I'm gonna get making this. Really easy to make. One pot, and then you gotta cook up the pasta on the side. And yeah, you will notice that my pasta is not macaroni, that's the mac and cheese. That's because I can't get macaroni. Sometimes I can get it, but not always. Alright, let's go in the kitchen and make this right now. Well, here's the ingredients for our mac and cheese. Across the front, I've got a half a teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Then over here, I've got 3.5 cups, 1.5 cups of milk. Back here, I've got 4 ounces or 110 grams of cream cheese. Over here, I've got 6 bratwurst, and I've sliced them thinly this time, about 1/8 of an inch or 2-3 millimeters. Across the back here, first of all, the cheese. That is 12 ounces or 340 grams of cheese. And I've also got 12 ounces or 340 grams of pasta. Now, I know this is mac and cheese, but I can get macaroni. Sometimes I get it, sometimes I can't. Penne makes a pretty good stand-in for macaroni, so today's going to be with penne. And there we go, our water's come to a boil. So I'm going to put this in here. First thing to do, we're going to cook that penne. I want to cook it to al dente. Give it a quick stir there. There we go. So this penne says about 11-12 minutes, and we'll be at the al dente stage. So see you back when I've taken those. I'm going to drain them when they're ready, and then we'll be back here. Alright, so the pasta is now cooked al dente. I've drained it. Let's sit here as we start the rest, which is, first of all, in the cast iron pan here, or pot. What I want to do is I want to heat up the olive oil. So I'm going to get this up on medium heat. Let's see that right about there. Get that olive oil in there. And then in goes the bratwurst. Stir that around a little bit. We've got our salt. So I'm going to sprinkle that salt over the bratwurst. There we go. Alright. I'm going to cook that. I'll just brown the bratwurst a little bit. So I'm going to go about 8 to 10 minutes. Probably closer to 8 minutes would be good enough. And then we'll get ready to add more ingredients. Alright, see you then. That's looking good. Got a little bit of browning happening there on the bratwurst. What I'm going to do now is going to add the flour. Stir that around in there. I'm going to cook that for just a minute. I just want to get the rawness out of the flour. And then we'll add some more ingredients. So see it back here in about a minute. Well, that's looking good. So in goes the milk. Yeah, not the best thing to pour out of, is it? What I do now is I'm just going to stir around before I add the rest of the milk. I just want to make sure that anything stuck to the bottom comes off. Oh, it's starting to thicken, so let's get more of that milk in there. All right, in goes the milk, and we're also getting in that cream cheese. So stir that mustard through there a bit. Let's get that cream cheese in there. going to start softening up right away. Just break it up in there a bit. Keep stirring. That sauce started thickening, so I'm going to turn the heat off. Now what I want to do is just break up the cream cheese. And that's looking good. A couple pieces there, break them up. Just basically want to get the cream cheese incorporated into the sauce. Doesn't have to be perfectly incorporated, but as much as possible. Now, in goes the pasta. To one side. And have to get that pasta down inside there. Alright, once I got that mixed up a bit, then the cheese. I would put about 3/4 of cheese into here, and I'm going to save 1/4 to go up on top. So, about 3/4 of that cheese, that's roughly about that much, right? Yeah, about there's good. Okay, mix that in. Get that down inside, in amongst all the pasta. Okay, looking good. Mix that down in there. Right, and then just smooth out the pasta. I guess you call it the pasta mixture now because there's not just pasta in there. Smooth it out. We don't really want anything sticking out too much, otherwise it gets burned in the oven. So we get it like that, and now we'll put the that's looking good. Let's have a little taste. Yeah, that's great already. All right, I'm gonna spread the cheese on top. There we go. All right, let's go into the oven over there at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. So bake it, melt all that cheese, get a little browning on top, and then it's dinner time. All right, let's get it in there. Okay, ooh, that's heavy. There we go. All right. Come out of the oven, it's looking great. Got that little bit of crispy browning on top there, not too much, which is right. We don't want it too hard. We want a little bit, give it a little texture. Oh, that's looking good. I see the bubbling down below. That's ready for dinner. All right, if you like this recipe, stick around. Check out some more original Kevin Riley recipes here on Kuma's Kitchen. Also, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming ones. All eclectic fusion ideas. Now go, make this, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.